Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I gonna show you how to make your Synology become like the Microsoft Office online. Let's walk through step to set up. First, we will install Synology Office in the Dependencies package. Second, create user, group and set permission. Third, customer login portal such as login page, background, logo and domain name for user access drive. Fourth, enable web access the drive share. This point to enable for user access drive share over web browser. Last one, testing import Microsoft file into Synology Office, and let's see how Synology Office still the best. Step 1, install Synology Office. Switch to our Synology. Here my Synology home page, and open Package Center. Search package name, Synology Office. Yes, this package. Just click Install. You can see the dependency package that will be automatic installation. Okay, just click Yes to install. Wait few minutes for the installation all those package and let's see once completed. It has been completed now. As you can see, those packages already install success. Step 2, create user, group and set permission. Open Control Panel. User and group. Click Create User. My username. Staff. Email additional if for home lab. Set password, my password. Type confirm password. Next. Keep default user permission. Next. Permission for user can assist later. Next. 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 Done. Let's create a group. Set group name. Okay, next. Tick to add the user into this group. Next. 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 Done. Okay, so we have done create the user and group. So, let's create new folder and assign the permission to our group. I create new folder name. IT Drive. Right-click then Properties. Permission then Create. Select user or group then our group name group array IT. Select. Assign permission. I assign permission to write for this group. Okay, done. Save. Verify our permission. It looks good. Okay, let's move to the next step. Step 3. Custom Login Portal. Open Control Panel. Login Portal. In the Applications tab and select Synology Drive and Edit. Login Style, Edit. Login Page Title, you can type any you want. Tick Backgroup and select Image. I choose this one. And tick Logo, select Image. I choose my logo in local computer. Welcome Title. I put Welcome to Synology Drive. Welcome Message, you can put anything. Save. Alias named of drive, you can put for your convenience or skip. For customized domain, you can use separate domain from admin portal, that's for user access drive share over web. For me I use domain name drive, letsec, ziz. Enable to enhance the security of Kineseton. Save. Okay, here are domain for user access Synology Drive. Let's me open. As you can see the connection not secure yet because that's the default Synology certificate, but the dashboard looks good. Let's bind our certificate with this application. Open Security. Certificate tab. Settings. Bind Synology Drive server with our certificate and Synology Drive as well. Okay, then yes to restart the services. Finished now. Let me open new browser. Connection looks good in application bind with our certificate now. Let test login new user. Perfect, but the shared drive not yet available to access. Let's move to the next step. Step 4. Enable Web Access Drive Share. Open Synology Drive. Click Manage Team and Folder, and select Data, then Enable. Apply. Okay, the folder data is enabled to access with Synology Driveno. All folder are available now. Let's me log in with new user to test access. We can log in but doesn't access the subfolder with share for this user. Let review the user permission. Open File Station. Right-click in Properties and Permission. There is no user or group to assign. Let's add the group to have permission right on this subfolder. The permission we can assign based on the user purpose on the folder. Save. Let refresh the browser. Perfect. Subfolder is available now. Let's upload some files for testing. We have success for user access folder share and available to store any files. Let's move to the last step, how we can import Microsoft Office into Synology Office. The last step, import Microsoft Office into the Synology drive. Let's me upload some of Microsoft Office files. I opening this file. Okay, we can view but cannot write at all. To be able write, we must import this file into Synology Office. Okay, click import. Right, perfect. You can see once done import, so we can change anything. Let me test update something. Synology Office is like the Microsoft Office, and the syntax or formula are same things. It really good for an office or home lab. Once imported, it will keep an original file and create a new Synology Office file. I test one more for uploading PowerPoint file. For PowerPoint on Synology Office, it could be a little bit different format with Microsoft PowerPoint, but I believe acceptable. Let test with Office Word. It seemed to be good like the Microsoft Word BQAs, everything's are same. Not only support the Microsoft Office, by on this, we can share the file or folder to our team or everyone to access without having any users, as well as able to protect the share with password and expiration date. Okay, let me copy this link and open with new browser to access without having user. You can see, we can protect with the password as well, so we can easy to share with our partners or external user and just give them the password. Let create new folder in test share with the link for internal and public access and permission we can set accordingly based currently practices. Okay, so that's is all for me today. I hope you enjoy with this video. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.